you have a Google business profile that is visible on Google Maps, but you don't know where and where you are currently ranking, I want to show you how to track your ranking on Google Maps so that you will know the locations where you're ranking and where you need to work on or where you need to optimize to rank better. I have a simple tool that we're going to use to show you how to track your ranking in different geographical areas. If you're new here, I am Faith. I'm a digital marketer and a web designer. I help business owners build professional websites with WordPress, WooCommerce, and Shopify. And on this channel, I teach complete beginners e-commerce, web design, and digital marketing. If you want to sell online or you want to make money online, consider subscribing to my channel. Let me show you how to track your ranking. Let's get right there. So in order to track your ranking on Google Maps, you're going to use a simple tool. Just come to your browser and type faithamole.com/local. Okay, going to use a tool called Local Falcon. So that's the tool we're going to use right away. Let's see what it gives us, and I'll also leave the link to this tool in the description of this video. You can just click on it and visit this particular tool. So what I'm going to do is just to click on login. We've already logged us. I'm going to click on my dashboard. The next thing you have to do is just to come to a quick scan. You want to scan your local business to see where you are ranking. As you can see, I've done 2 scans here on my account. So as you can see, this is my business here. So you can see the areas where I am ranking. Show you the reports I have done. So this is what my ranking looks like for this particular keyword. This is how I'm ranking here. As you can see, these are the areas where I'm ranking. I'm still trying to fix these areas that I'm not ranking, because these are areas that are far away from my business location. And you know that for you to rank higher in Google Maps, your proximity is one of the top ranking factors, as in how close your business is to the searcher. So if somebody is searching from here now, definitely I'm going to rank number 1 for that person. I'm ranking number 1 here, I'm ranking number 1 here, but I'm ranking far away here because this particular location is very far away from my neighborhood. This particular tool will help you track the areas you are ranking. Can you see? To help you track the areas you are ranking and the keyword you are ranking for. Let me click on this particular position 1. Can you see my business is ranking here? I'm ranking number 1 here. And what's the keyword I'm ranking for? I'm ranking for web designer in Kaduna here. Can you see? There are other businesses here that are ranking. So I'm ranking for this keyword. Let me check another place. I'm ranking position 20. Can you see that I'm also ranking for this keyword? But this is far away from my own locations. If you want to check where you are ranking, this is the best tool you can also use to do that. In a grid like this, it's going to show you the grids where you are ranking so that you will know where to optimize. So if I'm going to work, and I'm going to work on all these places that are in red so that I will rank there, what I will do is just to make sure I add these locations in my website. So go to my website, create a service page, add web designer in this location. I'm going to do this and add this particular geographical location to my website so that I will rank on that place. I also go to another location and also add that service location to my website so that I'll be able to rank. These are tricks that you can employ to make sure you're ranking better. But the summary of this is to show you that you can rank on any city based on how you optimize it. This particular tool is handy for you to track your rankings. Can you see? Without this tool, I won't be able to see the position and the keyword I'm ranking for. There are other areas that I'm ranking for, other different keywords. Click on quick scan so that I can search for another keyword I am ranking for. Let me quickly go to browser and search local SEO specialist. Let me quickly search here, local SEO specialist. Let me see on Google Maps. So I want to open this specialist in Kaduna. So I want to add Kaduna. Let's quickly show which business is ranking here. All right, so you can see this business is ranking here as well. Okay, I can also say in Sabo, Tesha. So I want to do this. Let's see. Can you see here? I am ranking number 2 here on this particular keyword, but another keyword I was not ranking with. So the availability of or the closeness of your business to the searcher will determine if you will rank or not. So there are basically things that you should consider: your category, your business location, and other on-page SEO factors, your website, and all those service pages added on your website. So for you to optimize your website, you must be able to use some tools, and I've recommended some of the best tools you can use for your local SEO, and I have a video on this channel that talks about the best tools to use. So this is one of the tools you can use to track your ranking on certain geographical area. Let me quickly go to quick scan. Okay, under quick scan, I think this particular website is experiencing a downtime, but however, you can just click on the quick scan feature and then enter your business name, enter the keyword you want to track, and know the positions where you are ranking. Can you see I'm ranking 4 here? All right, and this is Kaduna Junction. That is that. So people who search within these areas will be able to find me ranking higher, and they will be able to hire me from there. I will get leads, I will get calls, and get booked. So in your own case, make sure you're using this particular tool to track your local ranking. I'll see you in my next video.